In this video, I will show you how to make Valorant look more vibrant. If you are using Nvidia, right-click on your desktop and select Nvidia Control Panel. If you don't see it, search for Nvidia Control Panel in the Windows Start menu. On the left panel, go to Display, then adjust desktop color settings. Find the Digital Vibrance slider. Increase the value to enhance colors. The recommended settings are 80% for balanced vibrance, 100% for maximum vibrance. If you prefer intense colors, click Apply to save the changes. Launch Valorant and check the difference. If you are using AMD, right click on your desktop and open AMD Radeon software or Adrenaline software. Navigate to the Gaming tab and select Display. Enable custom color and adjust saturation to increase vibrance, contrast, and brightness for fine tuning. Save your settings and launch Valorant. For Intel Arc users, open Intel Graphics Command Center from the Start menu. Go to Display tab and select Color Settings. Adjust the saturation slider for more vibrance. Click Apply to save changes. So, by following these steps, you can make Valorant look more vibrant. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.